Hello everyone, it's Eunik bringing to you the growth mask treatment that everyone is talking about in town, that everyone wants to try out. Yes, you heard me right. You need to try this out because it's beneficial. The benefit that it gives you is it restores your hairline, it stops your hair from breaking, it makes your hair dark, it makes your hair grow healthy. So this treatment is just 120 doing it at our Eunik hair salon and 235 for those who want to buy and do it from home. So we can send the products that you want to do the growth mask treatment with and deliver them at your place at a fee. So we are located